This one's coming from CoinDesk, and Bitcoin wills increase its holdings during the crypto market mayhem. But ETF investors didn't buy the dip, which I've been actually noticing a lot of articles I'm not going to cover, as that they're planning on buying it, but they're not buying the dip, but they are going to make more purchases. But though posting net outflows on Monday, the spot Ethereum ETF, no, the spot ETF action did show some positive surprises. Bloomberg's ETF analyst Eric Bashunas noted it. And here we got a nice little whale jumping out of the water. No, that's just a description of it. Here we go. Bitcoin investors endured a mostly down roller coaster of action as prices plummeted through the weekend to 49,000 by early Monday before modestly rebounding to around $56,000 levels in the morning. U.S. hours triggering diverse reactions by holders. Now, Bitcoin whales or large asset holders seized the opportunity of low prices to purchase, while small investors sold as the panic ensued, data by blockchain analytics firm Into the Block shows. Now, like I said, I think the first article I covered, it's like, I'm not worried. I know you guys are going to be buying up pretty much as we speak. And now we're getting the articles today showing these guys buying it. But crypto wallets holding between 1,000 and 10,000 Bitcoin, worth roughly $56 million and $560 million at the current prices, demonstrated confidence during the recent dip, consistently increasing their holdings as the prices fell, into the block analysis said. Meanwhile, wallets with less than 1 Bitcoin showed weak hands, with the most substantial decrease in holdings during yesterday's market downturn. They added that wallets holding between 1,000 Bitcoin demonstrated confidence, while on the other hand, they didn't. And again, the Fear and Greed Index really just shows like the emotional status of the common folk, not these whales out there who live through the Bitcoin status. Now, U.S.-listed spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds booked around $168 million of net outflows on Monday, according to the data collected by Farsight Investors, and outflows were limited to Grayscale's GPTC, Vitality's FBTC, and 21 shares ARK Invest, ARKB, while rivals showed very modest inflows or flat performances. Now, Eric Bashunas, senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, focused on the positive, noting outflows only represented around 0.3% of the total assets under the management in the ETFs. Now, further, he said the largest of the spot funds, BlackRock's $18 billion IBIT, had no net outflows. So I think BlackRock's still the strongest guys out there, because no one really wanted to move out of that one. And Eric Bashunas was like, that's peanuts. And he was referring to the overall levels of flows yesterday. That said, it's one day. I could see some more uploads this week. I was thinking a couple billion would leave so far, though looking much stronger than that. So some people still think there might be a little bit of a dip coming still down the road, which is still a good sign, because all of us wills and people out there who want more is like, yes, keep doing it. But there are funny memes out there too. It's like, guys, when we were at 74,000 and they're going, oh man, I wish I could have bought cheaper. And then we have this nice little dip and then they go, oh no, it's a scam. It's done. I'm not going to buy any. So it just shows how the common folk usually react to this news. But wills are buying. Companies are still buying. Get your Bitcoin while you can, and do not sell. HODL it.